talked about what's going on with the user experience itself and how the application goes together. So how do you actually put it? How do you actually make that user experience? What makes it up? Well, if you're a web forms developer or if you're a Microsoft guy, you'll actually see a lot of familiar pieces here. You'll also see a lot of these from traditional web AJAX forms as well. Border, button, canvas, checkbox. All of these things are things that if you've been working with applications, you kind of know what's in there. Some pieces to kind of point out a little bit here is things such as the text block and text box. The text block is a little bit lighter weight. The text box actually has things such as calling in the data input, being able to work with the choosers, being able to do a lot of those kind of things. So those aren't quite the same. You need to take a look and see what's going on there. The web browser control, which you're actually able to pull in web content and let it be rendered through the phone browser itself. So you can drop those in there. The gesture service listener. So you can actually pull out those gestures that your user is doing and actually be able to work with those and actually interact with them in a very interesting way and custom way if you want to do that. So you've got a lot of those kind of pieces that you're looking at as well. Things like the wrap panel down there at the bottom right, where you can actually start doing that panorama. You can actually move back and forth. You can actually do things that have the horizontal component itself. And speaking of that, some of the new ones we've got here are that panorama. As I mentioned with the phone interface, it's got a vertical aspect, which you're actually looking at different applications. You're looking at different pieces that you're going for. That's kind of that list piece. And you got panorama, which actually gives you a horizontal aspect to it. You can actually see here from the picture itself, it's showing you there's some more stuff over on the right, and it's actually you use that to kind of set up different views. An example of that